Do you know how fucking scared I would be? We just looking from the outside. Oh my god, 60 people died. Put yourself inside of the plane, bitch. Oh my god, and it's coming and colliding? I would have been fucking screaming. Are you This is crazy, man. 60 people died. Rest in peace to all the people. Can you imagine twirling into fiery darkness? Oh my god. Oh my god! I would have been fucking screaming like a fucking bat out of hell, bitch.